Hopefully my first time climbing with a helmet. Sure.
Even though you go for it.
Professional enough.
Check out the...
Yeah. Like a DIY makeshift professional arborist. Oh, you know what I should probably do? Start up my chainsaw.
Sure worked.
Planning my routes.
Huh?
I said I just gotta plan my routes. So several factors make this climb in particular pretty difficult. The combination of me having a helmet on with limited visibility, as well as branches in my face and almost nowhere to hold, no good feet placement, hand placement. You can see me holding onto these tiny branches coming off of the side and the little nubbins that are also coming off of the side of the tree to try and get a foothold or a grasp as much as I can. But you'll see me struggle pretty hard here to get any kind of foothold. It's like rock climbing. Yeah. I can't tell what's above me, my helmet's in the way. So up until this point, I've actually been free climbing the entire time without being tied onto the tree, which is somewhat dangerous, but I'm pretty used to it. And you can see me latch my safety line around the trunk, or the branch that I'm actually trying to get onto. I'll latch onto that so I have at least some kind of safety line if I get stuck or if I fall off. Breaking all the branches here. So right now what I'm actually trying to do is make my way onto the branch and pull myself up onto the top of it so I can begin to cut. Stuck. Okay. I'm friggin'. So then I'm gonna just hang out here for a second. So what actually just happened is that I got too tired from trying to pull myself up and climb the tree branch, where I actually fell and slipped off, and I got caught by my safety line. And I'm just laying there, regaining my breath. Coming down. One branch coming down. Second branch coming down. Gonna put this in a choke instead. I got it.
You got it?
Yeah, I got it.
Okay.
Making my way onto the branch proved to be a failure, so it was time to try the pole saw next. with such a small blade, it was gonna prove to be pretty difficult, but it was worth a shot.
Oh, what the heck? The battery fell. Oh, I found it.
You found it?
Yeah, it's up here with me.
Okay. I was gonna say the battery.
The pole saw was quickly getting us nowhere, so we decided to scrap the idea and go back to the original plan of cutting it with a real chainsaw. With attempt number 2, I decided it was all or nothing, and I just needed to get up there.
Hey Dad, I got up here. I got up.
Okay.
Hey Dad, I got up here. I got up.
He's already cut though.
Dad, there's like, you don't understand how small of a cut I made. I made the smallest cut in the world. There is no structural damage to this branch. All right, whatever we do, we gotta do it fast. You know why? I got like 10 minutes on my GoPro. All right, I got like 20% left on my GoPro. All right, well, this will be fun.
So here you can see me alternate the direction of my cut, and that's because I can't get into a good position where I can cut straight down. I'm kind of cutting at an angle, and I don't want to fully cut at an angle, so I'm going kind of back and forth trying to even it out.
Charlie.
Timber.
Hey, did you see Nick this? All right, chainsaw coming down. Oh, thank God Mom wasn't there for that. Nothing. Well, just look how much is gone from here.
Sure.